Hey everyone, it's Karen here from Be Green Bath and Body, and today I'm here to talk to you about our foaming hand and body soap. A lot of people ask us if it foams as well as conventional foaming soaps, and the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how it foams. Today I have with me our citrus hand and body soap, and you'll just pop the cap off here. What I recommend is that you wet your hands first, so I'm going to just sprinkle some water in my hands, and then put a pump of soap into your hand. So I'll show you that, if you can see. There's the foam. And then I'm going to go ahead like this. And the more I scrub my hands, the more foam and soap I get. You can see that it's got a lot of lather to it. And it's very gentle, it's not drying. It's perfect to wash any virus off your hands, including the coronavirus, and it will do that. We recommend that you wash your hands for 20 seconds, not 20 minutes, that would be a really long time. And what else can I tell you about our soap? So we use these plastic pumps. They can be refilled. We do sell refills in a couple different sizes. We have a 16-ounce size, we have a half gallon, and also a gallon, which will actually save you money. So you can refill the pumps, the containers. So what you do when it's empty, you can see this one has quite a bit left in it. When it's empty, you're going to go ahead and unscrew this cap, and then you're going to fill it up, and you're going to leave about a ½ inch of space at the top. And the reason you're going to do that is because the pump, once you put the pump back in the bottle, it ends up displacing some of the soap. So if you don't leave some space at the top, you're going to have a little overflow issue. Sometimes people ask us, you know, what's going on? My pump has stopped working properly. So the pumps, after probably a year or so of use, sometimes the pumps get stuck in the down position and they don't pop up right away. They'll eventually pop up, or you can actually pull it back up with your hand. But what ends up happening is that if you can see this clear plastic tube, water and soap over time starts to fill in this section, and that's what causes the pumps to stick. One of the ways that you can avoid that from happening is to not let water seep through the seam that's right around the pump. That seems to do the trick. I've actually had some pumps last me for 3 years with regular use, but just know that you want to try to keep as much water out of this section as you can, because then it will drip down into the cylinder below. I hope you learned about the soap today. I think you'll love it. Give it a try. If you have any questions, please email me, support@begreenbathandbody.com. Thank you.